plastic they can recycle. Maximum 91% is what they will do.
You are telling that 9% of plastic is recycled. Per a day in India, 9 crore 20 lakh ton of kg is produced, but only 80% is taken by the government, and remaining 20% were thrown like anything.
No,
That is the misusing of the human beings, which you misuse, that you will throw here and there. It's not the problem of, you said that again and again to what that animals are dying with the eating plastic. It's not the problem. We human beings are the problem who threw the garbage here and there. If you use the garbage, if we use the plastic correctly, we cannot we can save the lives of animals. We cannot tell that animals to be died. The plastic are thrown here and there on the roads. About 20% of plastic of India which is produced per a day.
As she said that the plastic bags are good and good to human life. When we go to the restaurant, the hotel management and the hotel owners are keeping the food inside the plastic bags. The rice are very heat and that cause the very harmful diseases to the human life. Thank you.
As I am say that this is for the hotel facility stall. Whenever you go into shopping mall, something buying to the vegetables, some grocery items, sometimes you forgot your bag. Definitely you will ask to plastic bag. That is the more important to the plastic advantages.
First of all, plastic ban means ban means only the other plastic bags will come, not plastic bags like a cotton bags and elastic bags, and many other bags is there, and also containers also is there. We also carry. First of all, we want to ban the plastic. Plastic ban means only we want to do anything like a new without plastic. How we can tell that we have to ban plastic? Because it is harmful. Why is that harmful? How it is harmful? It is harmful because it has a toxic material and poisonous. Like that will harm to the tree, animal, and also human being. The small particle when we are drinking the water bottle in a plastic, and there is a some particles of the plastic. When we are drinking that, we got cancer. By that we can harm public.
Whenever they are sleeping,
You tell that we are using the plastic bag, but you don't think we are using the strong plastic which can't leave the poisons. And we are using as an educational like a pen. Without plastic we can't write the pen. You understand?
Yeah, yes, of course. But when we ban the plastic, we can do new steel pen also.
How
New
it is
bottle
tough to
also.
write. It is very tough to write.
No, you can't.
No, see you wrong.
Now how the plastics are recycling new and new items, like that only the steel also we can do new items.
Okay, yeah.
And technical
You
things.
are using the any material to write the pen. Then we are using the wire which is connected to electricity. For that we how to use it?
There is another type of materials also is there without plastic.
We can't use that.
We can't do.
We can't use that. We can do. How to use it?
As you said that, how can we use the wire? There are many types of plastics are there. For example, microplastic. We can use that plastic to connect the electricity to the wire.
As I said that we can use another type of plastic. I would like to say that everything that we use from a water bottle to the specs, to the from the pen to the connection of the water connection to the water, we use that plastic. What alternate do you will use there? How much you will use the other alternative things there? You should know.
How can you say we can use only plastic bottles? We can use also steel, silver bottles and copper, any other etc. is there. We can use that also.
As I said that bottles are plastic, but in our environment, in everyday we are using the plastic because in morning time we are doing the brushes. That is a plastic brushes. He said that plastic is want to ban. How to ban? The plastic is important for us. Plastic morning time we are brushing the plastic brushes.
One or two of countries banned the plastic. Due to plastic, the environment is not good, and the farmers cultivating fields, the plastic takes thousands of the year to dissolve. Dissolved in the water and lands.
Yes, Rohit, I agree that you are telling to the another country. Comparing to the our country, another country, to buying the milk bottle and packet also. How will they were using the proper way to the plastic and garbage box, and they are nice to protect to the garbage box, and government to supply all the facilities. That's why they are not banned to the another country. Some countries also plastic are using. Plastic is more important.
As Prashant said that don't compare to the another country. In India also, the Ministry of Forest, and the Environmental Protection Act implemented to ban the plastic in 1st July 2022 by the statement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
As Rahim said that I agree, but because of the misuse of the plastic by the human beings, the plastic bottles has reached to the Mount Everest, to the Pacific, deep of the Pacific Ocean too. I think you don't know that China has a new technology that plastic will be decomposed within an hour.
As he said, plastic is harmful to us too because of the environment issue. If the causes of problem plastic pollution is the significant of the confluence of the water. We can using plastic after we are throwing the anywhere like canals. In the canals they are misusing the water.
As she said that the China invented the technology. What is the technology? How can she said that? How can she say what is the technology? She have to mention the technology.
How she said that technology means nowadays children to senior children to using the playing for the item things like plastic cars and mobile, like small about things using the Indians also. That's why plastic as technology is China technology is more than two products.
You said that small child to elders are using the plastic. The small childs are using like a toys and they kept in the mouth. The small particles, whatever the particles they get inside, they got some disease also. Yes, I disagree with these Panja points. We know that our in our villages, small children were playing with plastics. Yes, the small children were doing the mistakes, and how the people are wasting the plastics. The children have to protect the human beings and mans.
How can the human beings protect? Human beings are busy in their job.
Okay, 1 minute. Now each and everyone talk. Okay. So one by one, please. Your group also.
ಇದೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿರಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್
Don't make noise. Okay.
ಕೇವಲ ಅವರಷ್ಟ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರೂಪ್
Listen. It's the debate means all you have to be participate and you have to be open your mouth and talk. Only the 2-3 members are not the teams. Or you have to,
other team and mind master team.
you have to be open to something.
ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ.
Plastic is a malleable, synthetic or semi-synthetic material that can be molded into various shapes, like energy saving, reduce packing. Plastic is a lightweight to carry.
Plastic is lightweight to carry. It is cheap in price, but she don't know a small plastic can that can be takes 80 to 100 years to dissolve in the land and sand.
Okay, Roxana and Rahim now completed. Okay, now you are. I will give you conclusion.
You can't carry.
Like,
You can't.
Plastic is too sanitary to use.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ.
Hey.
Heavy use of the plastic increase the pollution in environment. Step open. 2 million plastic bags are used every minute in world with.
Plastic causes
No, sir. Zoom coming.
plastic causes
Zoom coming.
Plastic causes the cancer to the human life.
Plastic is useful drinking tea. The cups are made by plastic.
The cups are made by.
नहीं.
So,
Finally,